Assalamualaikum students. In this English P lecture, we will do exercise 2.2 of chapter number 2 tenses revision. As you know that we have understood the 12 tenses in our previous lectures of chapter number 2 from lecture number 1 to lecture 4 and have also completed exercise 2.1. Now we'll move towards exercise 2.2 on page number 23. First, write CW and date at exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2. Translate into English, then convert into past and future tense. We will have to translate the given sentences into English, then we will convert the same tense into its past and future tense. Sentence number 1. वो गुनाह पर नहीं पछताता है. We will have to understand the recognition of the given sentence. We can see that it is written in the end ता है. So ता है, ती है, ते हैं या ता हूँ is the recognition of present indefinite tense. Now we know that it is the sentence of present indefinite tense. Now we'll have to translate. For translating this sentence, we must know the structure. It is the negative sentence of present indefinite tense because it is written nahi pachhtata. So the structure of negative sentence of present indefinite tense is subject, helping verb do or does, then not plus first form of verb and object. And we put full stop at the end of affirmative and negative sentence. And we use helping verb does with third person singular, and with all other subjects we use helping verb do. वो सब्जेक्ट हैं एंड पछताता इज़ वर्ब. पछताता को कहते हैं रिपेंट एंड गुनाह पर ऑन सिन. सो वी विल ट्रांसलेट द सेंटेंस. Before doing the written work, remember some points. Your working should be neat and clean. Do the work with blue ink pen and must put full stop at the end of each sentence. First we write subject. Subject is he, and then helping verb does, and then not, and then we write verb that is repent on sin. He does not repent on sin. Then we will convert this sentence into past and future tense. So see the structure of past and future tense. The structure of past indefinite tense in negative is subject and then helping verb did, not, verb first form and object. And the structure of future indefinite tense in negative is subject, will not plus first form of verb and object. Now we know that the structures of all the three tenses are same, just there is a difference of helping verb. So we will just have to change the helping verb in past indefinite and future indefinite tense. So sentence will be he did not repent on sin, and in future it will be he will not repent on sin. सी द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. आप अपनी गलती को तस्लीम नहीं करते हैं. ते हैं इज़ ऑल्सो द रिकग्निशन ऑफ प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट टेंस. देन रिकग्नाइज द सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. आप इज़ द सब्जेक्ट, तस्लीम करते इज़ द वर्ब एंड गलती इज़ ऑब्जेक्ट. सो तस्लीम करते एक्सेप्ट एंड गलती को कहते हैं फॉल्ट. So the sentence will be, first we write subject that is you, then helping verb. You is not third person singular, so we use helping verb do with you. You do not accept or admit. Both verbs can be used here. You do not accept or admit. Object is your fault. You do not admit or accept your fault. In past we know that we just have to change the helping verb, so it will be you did not admit your fault, and in future it will be you will not admit your fault. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज़ गैर दिलचस्प किताबें हाथों हाथ नहीं बिकती हैं. ती हैं इज़ ऑल्सो द रिकग्निशन ऑफ प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. गैर दिलचस्प किताबें इज़ द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस. बिकती इज़ वर्ब. एंड गैर दिलचस्प किताबों को कहते हैं अनइंटरेस्टिंग बुक. हाथों हाथ लाइक हॉट केक्स एंड बिकती सेल. सो ट्रांसलेट द सेंटेंस. फर्स्ट वी राइट सब्जेक्ट that is the uninteresting books, then helping verb that is do, the uninteresting books do not, verb is sell like hot cakes. change into past, the uninteresting books did not sell like hotcakes, and in future the uninteresting books will not sell like hotcakes. Next sentence, सितारे दिन में नहीं चमकते हैं. सितारे is the subject, चमकते is shine, that is verb. So the stars do not shine in the day. The stars is the subject and helping verb we use do because stars are plural. The stars do not verb is shine in the day. In past it will be the stars did not shine in the day, and future sentence will be the stars will not shine in the day. Next, वो मेरी बात नहीं सुनता है. ता है is also the recognition of present indefinite tense. वो subject है, सुनता या सुनना listen. So sentence will be he does not listen to me, and in past it will be he did not listen to me, and in future we will just have to change the helping verb. So sentence will be he will not listen to me.